Stellantis, the powerhouse behind iconic brands like Jeep and Chrysler, is making a bold move that could reshape the American automotive landscape. In a surprising announcement, the company revealed plans to pour a staggering $13 billion into its U.S. manufacturing operations over the next 4 years. But here's where it gets even more intriguing. This massive investment isn't just about building cars. It's about creating jobs, innovating products, and executing a strategic domestic turnaround under the leadership of CEO Antonio Filosa. By 2029, this initiative is expected to add over 5,000 jobs across key states like Michigan, Illinois, Indiana, and Ohio, breathing new life into local economies. And this is the part most people miss. Stellantis isn't just expanding. It's reinventing itself in a rapidly evolving industry. With electric vehicles and sustainable manufacturing taking center stage, this investment could signal a shift toward greener, more advanced production methods. But here's the controversial question. Is this move enough to keep Stellantis competitive in a market dominated by tech-driven giants like Tesla? Or is it simply a necessary step to stay relevant? As the company rolls out new products and ramps up operations, one thing is clear. This is a pivotal moment for Stellantis and for the future of American manufacturing. What do you think? Is this a game changer or just another step in the race? Let us know in the comments below.